Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the page margin in Google Docs. So page margin is basically the gap between the document and the content. So the page margin is here, 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 and also there's one at the bottom around here. So that's page margin, and there are two ways you can change the page margin in Google Docs. So for the first method, you have to go to the file menu and then go to page setup. And then here you can change the margins for top, bottom, left, and right side of the document. So after that, you can click OK. Let's say I'm going to change the top margin from 0.75 to just, let's say, 2 inches for demonstration. You can see that now the gap between the edge and the content is much bigger because the gap used to be 0.75 and now it's 2 inches. But there is another way to change the page margin, and maybe some of you will like this method a lot more. I'm talking about using ruler to change the page margin. So notice this blue triangle. You can click on it and drag to the left or to the right to adjust the size of the margin. For example, if I slide it to the left right here, it's going to decrease the page margin. And the same token is also true for this side. You can see that. And of course, I can also change the page margin for the top and the bottom like this. Yeah, there you go. That's basically how you can change the page margin in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.